In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own domain name on WP Engine. Setting up a custom domain on your website can sometimes seem daunting, but it's an essential part of establishing a professional online presence. Let's break this down step by step to make the process as smooth and effortless as possible. First, you'll need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll see an overview of all your WordPress site hosted on WP Engine. If it's been a while since you last logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, select the website you want to connect your domain to. This is important if you manage multiple websites on WP Engine. Just ensure you're working on the correct one to avoid any accidental changes to the wrong site. Now, it's time to head over to the domain section on the dashboard and click on Add Domain. It's a straightforward step, but crucial as it will lead us to the next actions necessary for integrating your custom domain. In the next part, you'll enter your custom domain name, such as www.yourdomain.com, and click on Add. This step essentially registers your domain with WP Engine so it knows to recognize it as part of your site infrastructure. Make sure you type your domain name correctly to prevent any misconfigurations. Following this, you'll need to update your domain's DNS settings. This tells the internet where to find your site. You'll typically do this wherever your domain is registered, such as a service like Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or Namecheap. Look for instructions specific to your provider on how to adjust DNS settings. For users on specific platforms like Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, make sure to point your A record to WP Engine's IP address. This step essentially maps your domain to your website hosted on WP Engine. Remember, DNS changes might take a little while to propagate, but patience is key here. To make your domain accessible with and without www, you can add a name record for www that points to your WP Engine site domain. This optional step provides a seamless experience for your visitors, ensuring they reach your site no matter how they type your domain name. After all these changes, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on your domain registrar. It's usually quite quick, but it's a good idea to check back periodically to see when the changes take effect. Finally, to secure your site with HTTPS, head over to WP Engine and enable SSL. Go to the SSL section, click on Add SSL, and follow the instructions provided. Having SSL set up not only secures your site, but also boosts your site's credibility in visitors' eyes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your custom domain to your WP Engine hosted site, ensuring a professional, secure, and seamless experience for your visitors.